Hello and welcome everybody to what is ostensibly a pickleball paddle review. I bought this because it made me laugh. I got a good chuckle out of this. I'm like, it's worth it. I'm buying it. I know the Diadem brand, Florida brand, lovely. I love the quality of them. And do you recognize this little guy? It's Buc-ee. Yeah, I stopped at Buc-ee's on the way down to South Carolina. You know how it is being a pickleballer. It's tough. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. So you can see, if you want to see some of what they are claiming here, you can see their claimed weight and length and width and thickness and all of that. It's lovely. But more importantly, this was bought at a gas station. That's right. We live in a day and age where you buy your pickleball paddle at a gas station. Cracks me up. It's Buc-ee. All right. So real quick, before I open this, I want to talk a little bit about Diadem. Like, I have a whole bunch of paddles. And I have this icon, the original, not the V2. This is the original one. You can see they put plastic covers around the edge. And a lot of people like this one, including me. Now, this one has a slightly different edge. You can see there's no plastic, attachments here. It's just all monolithic. It's just edgeless. A lot of paddles, let me grab one. Like, here's a Target Gamma one, have this like plastic edging around it, and this one doesn't, and I like that. So if you compare these two, this one's just a little different style. This one's more of the extended long version. So you can see it's not quite as wide as the icon. Can you see that? And if you line up the butt of the grip, it is a little longer than the icon. Let me spin this around because it's going to stick out a little bit. Let's open this up and then we'll maybe do a little comparison here. But yeah, so Diadem has always been a really popular brand in my circle of friends. We also play Selkirk and a whole bunch of other brands. We'll probably talk about them in the future. So today we have the A52, the A52 Buc-ees version. Let's bust this open and see how it feels. Yeet to that. All right, so first thing we were going to do is the size comparison. So you can see heels lined up, and Buc-ee is maybe half an inch longer. Again, this is the length, the longer version, and the icon, the old icon that we're used to, is just a hair wider. Not sure if that's going to show up, but it is a little bit wider. So I'm excited to take this ridiculous thing. It's ridiculous. I just want to take this to the pickleball group and see what everybody thinks of it. And I'm going to be hitting Buc-ee in the face a lot. Sorry, Buc-ee. You're a beaver. You can handle it. One thing I do love about Diadem is these grips. These grips are absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. That feels so good. Anyway, if you're ever in town with a Buc-ees and you need a pickleball paddle, highly recommended, the A52. Anyway, you'll see this in future videos. Just wanted to do a little unboxing of a ridiculous, fun pickleball paddle. Let me know your thoughts about Buc-ees, about the A52, about Diadem, made in Florida, in the comments below.